I've created a wiki for all the languages in the Lansing School District, and you will want to go to your Lansing School District email account to uh, accept the invitation. Once you get there, you're going to go to sign in. And you're going to put your Lansing School District email address. Even though this is not my Lansing School District email address, I had made an account before this. And then you will choose a password, I believe, in the beginning. Once you log in, you see your dashboard. If you don't see your dashboard, you can go to click on My Wikis over here, and you can find the exact wiki that you're looking for. You should, unless you have a Wikispace account already, you should only see the one for your language. So I'm going to choose the Lansing School District Japanese wiki so that I can show you around that a little bit. So this is what our wiki looks like. You'll notice on the left-hand navigation that we have links to the Lansing School District information. Okay, so first year Japanese, but this is actually first year any language. It's just that I put Japanese here for the students and parents of my students. So in this link, you'll find what ACTFL expects at the novice mid-level. So the state of Michigan expects our students to be at novice mid by the end of first year. And so I copied the ACTFL guidelines to show exactly what does that mean. So for example, in the speaking skill, students can communicate minimally by using a number of isolated words and memorized phrases, limited by the particular content in which the language has been learned. So that's just a speaking example or expectation. And then there's similar ones for listening, reading, and writing. So really the expectations are not extremely high at this level. And then if you scroll over to the second year Japanese, again, the state of Michigan expects our students to be at the novice high level after the second year of a language, and you'll find a little bit more advancement in their skills at that level. Okay, so first year language, first semester. Some years ago, the Lansing School District teachers got together and we looked at the state of Michigan standards and benchmarks document, and we took a look at the topics that were expected in that document. And what we did is we kind of wrote down all the particular topics that were mentioned in the benchmarks and guidelines. And then we kind of split them up into 4 semesters because the graduation requirement is 2 years. So after first semester, or for first semester of a language, the students should be able to, say their name, greetings, numbers, classroom commands, and items in the classroom. In Japanese, we have to introduce the writing system. Sure, that's the same with Chinese. And then, some other things like their age, nationality, interest, colors. So these are just actually words or topics that were taken from the Michigan guidelines document. And then we know that we have an IB program, so that we split it up. We kind of made a heading or a unit title for each thing or an overarching question. So if you click on each of the semesters, you'll find the particular topics that we decided that we were going to cover for each semester. And then one more thing that I would like to show you is that resources page. Now for Japanese, we've been working on our wiki for a long time, so we have a lot of resources that we have gathered. And so if you just scroll through, you'll see all the things that we've added. But I wanted to draw your attention to one particular thing because I've added this to everybody's, and that is at the top of the resources page, you'll see the link to each of the particular languages in our school district. So if I click on that one, it will take me to the homepage of the Chinese language wiki. And then you will have the opportunity to um, modify your own pages as you see fit. The resources, again, if I click on the resources over here, you'll see that it takes me to the other language wikis in the district. I thought that would be a good resource to have in case some of our teachers have really great ideas that we would like to share with others. And so, for example, the Chinese wiki page has the French, Japanese, and Spanish pages. So that is the introduction to how each wiki is laid out.